Hello, everyone, and welcome to Slow English Listening. Today, we are going to listen to a beautiful story and essay about my best friend. This listening practice is simple, slow, and easy to understand for English learners. Relax, listen carefully, and enjoy improving your English skills with this story. My best friend is the most important person in my life, after my family. His name is Ahmad, and we have known each other since we were children. We first met at school when we were both very shy and quiet students. At the beginning, we only talked a little because we did not know each other well. But after some time, we started sharing books, helping each other with homework, and spending time together during lunch breaks. Slowly, our friendship became stronger every single day. Ahmed is a very kind, honest, and hardworking person. He always speaks politely to everyone and respects people no matter who they are. One thing I admire most about him is his caring nature. Whenever someone feels sad or worried, he tries to help them with kind words and support. He also has a wonderful sense of humor that makes people smile even during difficult times. Many students in school like him because he is friendly and never behaves badly with anyone. He is tall, has black hair, and usually wears simple clothes. But his personality is what truly makes him special. I remember many moments when he stood beside me and helped me during hard times. Once, when I was sick and could not attend classes for many days, he visited my home every evening and explained all the lessons to me so I would not fall behind in my studies. That moment showed me the true meaning of friendship. A real friend is not someone who only laughs with you during happy times, but someone who also stays beside you when life becomes difficult. As the years passed, our friendship became deeper and stronger because we learned to trust and understand each other completely. We spend a lot of time together, talking about our dreams, future goals, favorite sports, movies, and even small daily experiences. Every weekend, we usually go for a walk in the evening, eat snacks together, and discuss our plans for the future. Ahmad wants to become a successful engineer, and I always encourage him because I know he works very hard for his dreams. In the same way, he always motivates me whenever I feel tired or lose confidence in myself. Sometimes life becomes stressful because of studies, family responsibilities, or personal problems. But having a best friend like Ahmed makes everything easier. He teaches me to stay positive and never give up. One unforgettable memory with him was during a school competition. I was very nervous before giving my speech because many students and teachers were watching. My hands were shaking, and I thought I would fail. Ahmad stood beside me and said, "Believe in yourself, because you can do it." Those simple words gave me confidence, and I successfully completed my speech. After the competition, we celebrated together and laughed for hours. Moments like these are the reason why I value our friendship so much. A best friend is like a light that guides us during dark times. Friendship is not about money, expensive gifts, or popularity. It is about trust, loyalty, honesty, and support. I feel lucky and thankful to have Ahmed in my life because he makes my life happier and more meaningful every day. I hope our friendship remains strong forever. And even when we grow older and choose different paths in life, we will continue supporting each other, just like we always have. True friendship is one of the greatest blessings in the world, and my best friend is a perfect example of that beautiful blessing. Thank you for listening to this slow English listening practice. I hope you enjoyed this story about my best friend and learned some new English words and sentences. Keep practicing your English every day and never stop learning. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more slow English listening videos. See you again in the next lesson. Goodbye and take care.